Okay, tested all the display boards. They were all working except for number one was completely had some issues. And upon closer inspection, I see we have a cold solder joint on the number one pin. I don't know if you can actually see that, but so I'm gonna reflow the solder on all these pins, and that should get this display number one working again, I think. I'll check all the rest too and reflow them, because these were very difficult to get plugged in and unplugged. Okay, so I reflowed all the header pins on all the displays, and two of them are apparently Beckman displays, but they both had these resistors going through from one leg of the, I'm guessing these little diode, I don't know what these are. I'll have to look that up, but it's like Q7 through Q12. They're digit drivers. So yeah, so there's the defective one. It broke. I don't know if it was broken or just what, but I desoldered it. But it looks like something that was added to these displays. Hand is all shaky, so I'll hold it in my right hand. Okay, so I got all the displays back in the machine. Yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at, but the displays are working. That all looks good, except for that one resistor that broke. But it did work before, so I think it might be something I did. Yeah, so I'll have to order a resistor kit for the display. Do a little research and find out why those 1.4 or 1.5 kilo ohm resistors are on those two displays. So that's this one, player 4 and player 2 are of the same Beckman. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the two. Yeah, this one. So it's underneath here. Maybe it's a hack, maybe it's a mod. I don't know. I'll find out. All right, so we're making some progress. Okay, well, I got the resistor on there. It's not pretty, but it's done. Okay, I'll pop this in and see how it goes. Well, turns out it was the transistor Q8, which is bad. So I need to order some of those transistors, and I think that's what they are, transistors. It's this little guy right here. It tested bad, so I took it out, and so I'll order some of those. I'll just get a rebuild kit for this thing. I'll have extra parts. Other than that, the display works good. Okay, the postman delivered a display driver, display resistor kit, repair kit. Oops, that's not it. Well, this is it here. From Big Daddy. So this transistor was bad, and so I just bought a whole kit and soldered the new one in. Right there. That one. Right there. And popped a new resistor in. Right there. So, let's see if this thing works. Well, looks like I fixed it, because the 10s digit is now, appears to be working. Feature lights. There we go. So this digit here was no good. It wasn't lighting up. Appears to be working now. Yay. So now I'm just trying to need to figure out why this extra little dot is showing up. So I don't know. Hopefully it's that you can't really see it from below. Once I get the back glass back in, I think it'll probably be okay.